We're out here at the residence of Ms. Sherman at 3651 North 33rd Terrace in Hollywood, Florida, 33021. This is the guest bath, I believe, that's adjacent to the master bath, or the master bedroom. And here's the bathroom, there's the back door, and there's Ms. Sherman. Lovely Ms. Sherman. Hi, Ms. Sherman. And just kind of give you an idea of where we're at. What we've done here is we've actually removed the toilet. There's a toilet next to the bathtub. And what we're going to do is show where the pipe is actually rotted away at the bottom. And we can see the black where it's indicative of the rotten and the rust and everything. And right there, the first thing we see is a hole. Right around, 11 o'clock on the pipe. See that right there, Ms. Sherman?
Okay.
There's a hole right there in the pipe. And, yeah, the bottom is where the water is. But there's a hole right there, and that's where some sand is coming in from. And we've got some buildup and whatnot. And as we go through, here's the channel rots where the bottom of the pipe's actually rotted away. And we can see all the sand and all the debris. As we're pushing the camera along, we can see the sand getting pushed up there. And it's pretty clear to see the sand right there. And this is where it's all gone. As we're pushing the camera, we're still pushing sand. And we finally come out of it. But this is where the problems are. Then right there again, bottom of the pipe is completely gone. There is no bottom of the pipe. Camera lens actually sinks right into it, and pushing the sand. So we can see if I push it slowly, we can see the sand right there through the water. And I'm actually going to turn the water on, Ms. Sherman. Try and clear that up a little bit. And as that runs, we'll be able to see. It's clear to see that it's channel rotted. So far, we've got 11 feet in, without counting the reel. It's actually more like probably about 7 feet. We've got the water running now, so we can see. Once it clears up, you'll be able to clearly see the sand at the bottom. See, Ms. Sherman, here's what we can see. We can see what used to be the crest of the bottom of the pipe. So now what it looks like, it's like this. Now this is what you see. That ridge that you're looking at right here is this. That's the edge that you're looking at. So you're looking at it kind of going like this as it goes down the pipe. It's just like a horseshoe. It's supposed to be nice and round, but this part's already gone. So what you got is a crest here and a crest here. It's just a ridge where the bottom of the pipe used to be. And as we continue to push, we can continue to push sand and debris. It's clear to see that the bottom of the pipe is gone. Let's try it. Clear that up a little more.
See a lot of junk.
It's clear. Well, that's
stuff down there.
That's stuff. Stuff that's code for stuff.
So this should look like.
Yeah, this is what's left of the bottom of the pipe right here. So right around 5, 6 o'clock, you can see a ridge, and that is what's left of the bottom of the pipe. And as we continue on, we're basically just pushing sand. As the camera goes forward, that pile you see building up right here, right around 9 o'clock, is just sand. And the more we go, the more until the camera lens finally comes out, and that's what it should look like. Something like that. See that?
Yeah.
That's what I should see. So as I come back, I'm dropping back into that hole.
I see.
And the more I move the camera, the deeper I'm making that trench, because I'm just digging through sand right now.
I see.
All I'm doing.
Now this is going toward the back.
No, that would
Oh,
never.
went to the front,
Yeah.
I see.
Well, back on. But yeah, this is what we see, just sand. And there's sand here because the bottom of the pipe is gone. Yep, so what's happening is as you're using the bathroom, your toilet paper and your schmutz is getting hung up on these sharp ridges. So what I had proposed was to get rid of this, replace it all in PVC. You see the sharp ridge right there.
What about this direction? Do we know if there's any broken
There's
pipe?
nothing going out that way. This pipe goes that way
Oh,
and that way.
Okay, so there is no pipe.
No.
Well, this, what is this water?
That goes above ground into the stack that's right here.
Oh, okay,
So that's going to be about this high,
I see,
about 16, 17 inches high, and it's going to come into the stack,
I see.
and the stack is going to come to here. But here it's clear as a bell, clear as a bell. The bottom of the pipe is gone.
Okay, well,
So
Yeah,
I'm
hopefully-
going to back up and we'll start from the very beginning. Now that the water's running. Oops, hello. Alright. So we'll start right here. What we'll do is we'll zero out this counter. Okay, counter zeroed out. Kind of what I expect to see. Okay, cool, no problem.
that's the normal part.
Right, and then as I go in immediately, here we can see where the water's coming in from the laboratory. Right there about 12, 1 o'clock.
Okay.
You see where the water's kind of coming in. And as soon as I went in, gone.
That's the break,
That's where it begins.
yes.
And we can clearly see the channel rot. There's a couple pieces of what's left of the bottom of the pipe.
I can see it now.
Right. And when we jet cleaned, we actually jet cleaned the main line going up because we couldn't make this branch.
Right,
And once we cambered that branch, there's no way. If we jet that pipe, there won't be nothing left of it. So this branch here, we didn't jet for this very reason right here. Which actually makes me feel better because I know the jetter didn't cause it. And now all of a sudden, bam, we come out of it. See, if I back up here, the bottom of the pipe is gone. You see what's left of a ridge where the pipe used to be? Now as I push the camera up on that ridge where the pipe used to be, now we're at what's considered normal parameters for a pipe to save,
right.
correct? And as we continue on, now we're back into the sand. So we just kind of came over that hump and right back into the sand.
Okay.
And that's where it's gone.
So now I get a copy of this and let the insurance company see this?
Yeah, I can take this back to the office and what they'll do is they can burn it on a DVD. Unless you have a computer,
I have a computer,
then I'll give it to you right now, so you don't have to wait for it.
okay.
And
And
then-
also burn me a copy, just in case my computer gets a glitch.
Yep. So here we go, and what we'll do is we'll check the rest. We'll let that flow out. So as it records, so we're 7'4". We've made the turn after that T, and the pipe is still going. See how we're starting to come out of it? That's what we should be.